If you're visiting Zion National Park and want a little break from hiking, I recommend this easy horseback ride in East Zion. This adventure includes a horseback ride to one of Zion's slot canyons. From there, you can do a short walk to check out the slot canyon itself. After that, you ride back to the stables and say goodbye to your horse. I will walk you through everything you need to know before you go. Don't worry if you've never ridden a horse before, because this ride is very beginner friendly, and the people at East Zion Adventures guide you through everything. To get started, they pick you up in an off-road vehicle and take you to where the horses are. From here, you pick out what horse you would want to ride.
It's my horse. This your horse?
The guides will let you pick what horse you want, or they will give you a horse depending on your skill level.
What's yours? Nuka? Oh, Naka. Oh, this guy. Romeo.
Once your horse is picked out, you get their name and you're off on your own. Just kidding. The whole trail is guided with tour guides taking the lead.
Did she get ridden?
Yes.
Oh.
She's so fun. She gets her day off though today, so.
Aww.
It was feel good?
I think so. I don't know. It's my first day out here.
You got this. You're good.
They have years of riding experience, and they will also share the rich cowboy history of small town Orderville that continues to live on today.
Do they feel even? Like the same length?
Yeah, I think so.
One doesn't feel a little bit longer than the other?
This might feel a little shorter. But I don't know if my legs are a little shorter.
Go and hold like an ice cream cone. Left to go left, right to go right, stop to pull back. Get your chest kind of. Once he stops, can I give it back to him a little bit? Because if we keep pulling back, he's going to take steps backwards.
Oh, okay.
So if he goes to eat, hand to the sky, and you give him a good little tap with your heel.
Right here? Okay.
Yep. And then let me get your guys' names again.
Manny.
And
Manny.
Manny,
Yeah.
okay.
I wish it was Man.
Man, I was like...
Now each horse comes with saddlebags to carry your belongings. I have a camelback on, which they allowed because there's no loose strings hanging off.
Any questions?
No.
I think I'm good.
And she's...
I'll ask her, yeah.
Yeah, I was going to say, she got you.
This is crazy, dude. I'm out in the wilderness.
How we doing today? So that it's trees and vitamin D, or is it dishes?
Romeo. Over here, buddy. Oh, this is a little tight squeeze right here. Oh, wow.
The horses have been trained to follow one another, so don't worry about steering your horse. The guides do give you directions on what to do in certain situations. For example, when your horse wants to eat plants, the guide explained to pull the horse's head to prevent them from eating.
Hey, buddy, let's not eat right now. My horse is a little hungry, though. He haven't been eating. Hey. Shh.
This is located in Orderville, Utah, which is east of Zion National Park. Now, if you guys don't feel like riding horses that day, that is totally fine. East Zion Adventures, they have plenty of other things to do. They have Jeep tours, UTV tours, horseback riding, and much more. I'll leave the link in the description just so you guys can see yourselves.
Hey, Romeo, I'm gonna take you home, okay? When they train the horses, like, do they just follow each other instinctively, or do they do it like because they're trained? Both? I know, right?
Yo, the thing is, I found.
How you like my boy Romeo? You guys see the XO on his butt? Hey, Romeo, the girls like you, buddy. How you tell him to go? Woo, we're going off-roading. Hi, guys. I like Brandon.
This is the halfway point for the ride. The guides will let you get off your horse so you can walk into Slot Canyon. The walk is very short, but it's definitely worth it. This Slot Canyon is one of many in East Zion, which shows how unique this place is.
Whoa, this is a...
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Okay.
Yas, girl, yas. Wait, here's that place we were talking about in the pictures. We got Brittany on top of him. Is there any slot machines in the slot canyon? Oh wow.
This is the actual narrows.
I know, right? This is dope. Should we take it on our way back?
Yeah.
Verde, ¿qué pasó?
You know.
Man, Romeo wanted to run, man. I know this guy wanted to run.
We are back to the stables. Now, if you guys need help to get off your horse and know where to park your horse, the guides will help you. Now, if you want to be like me, I went ahead and parked my horse myself, which you'll see in a couple seconds. Please like the video and please subscribe. It really helps us a lot. We get in front of new faces and new beginners who would probably want to do this horseback ride themselves. I definitely 10/10 recommend this little cool horseback ride. For a beginner myself, I thought it was a really cool experience. And also Zion National Park, super beautiful. Definitely recommend going.
Woo! You see that? I parked the guy. Good boy.
Hey, everyone got everything on saddlebags, right?
I think so, yeah. How'd you like that?
That was so much fun.
How'd you like that?
It was good.
Trees and vitamin D go country.
Ow!
Look at XOXO. Right there in the back. You know, we did good out there. Got last place, second to last. But me and Romeo did pretty good though. We're best buds now. Now, this is Romeo's girlfriend. Romeo doesn't really like to bring her around sometimes.
Ride that guy down a hill like that.
She got stepped on by the horse.
Yay!
She fell off the horse.
Did you?
Justin, how'd you like that? That was great. That was the funnest thing we did. All right now. That's the only thing.